Hello everybody, ProTrader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading, running the chat room, hanging out with the boys, got the trading towel. Everybody needs one of those. You get that. You learn that in MOJO University, obviously. Everyone needs that. You need a pen, MOJO pen. Right there, you get a MOJO Day Trading pen. ProTraders all have a MOJO Day Trading pen. They got a trading journal right here. They keep all their notes, the trades, how they worked out in the journal. They can review them. They got the tracking sheets. Become a pro trader right there. See, become the next pro trader. Get in that boot camp. Get that going. Let's head over to the MOJO Day Trade room and see how the guys did and the pros did in the room. You can meet Pro Trader Top Dog. Are you the top dog? Oh, we got my dogs aren't here, so we'll get rid of them. Ching. And let's get rid of that. All right, we got a bunch of guys in the room today, looking good in the chat. Got some pro traders still aboard and around. We got JDST at the low of the day at 1492, just alerted to us, which is currently at 1490, 1489. We have scroll back, so let's press the button, push up, and there we go. My electricity went out today. I was in a trade and it was going in the right direction. Can you believe it? Happens to you, always get in the wrong direction. It was PCG. We traded it through $8, man. It was really nice. 9.55 this morning. So I'll show you what's... Dude, the markets are so messed up. The stocks go 4 paces up, 3 paces back. 3 paces up, 2 paces back. This zero commission has destroyed the markets. Really difficult for stocks to make money. PCG, perfect example. UVXY, perfect example. Stock just jumped $1. It's back down $1. The markets just are terrible. Ameritrade adjusted up so big this morning and it sold off all day long and just shook everybody out. Terrible, terrible. So this morning the futures were ripping and what's his name copied my trade. Yeah. So we got him for that. Oh yeah, if you wanted to see my show this morning was this one. If you look, it was this picture right here. My new Premarket, that was today's show right there. But if you want to see Premarket, that was the one from this morning right there. Premarket scan machine. Had a nice couple of scans. We did pretty good. We banged out the top 20 this morning. I gave you guys at $12.90, sold it at $13.08. $12.60 right now. It's a good buy right now on the MOJO show. Yep. Right now it is. Don't hit no rim.
Yes.
Yeah, $12.57, $12.58, $12.55, right around here. It's overdue. What you do is when you're trading that, it's a natural gas. So you have the chart right here on natural gas. It's the CME group trading $12.60 right now. It's a good, whoops. So you got right there, this is the natural gas, and you can see it's making a move back up right here. You can see that. So I think it found its little bottom right here. So you guys, you want to go long because it made a big downtrend as D-gas was going higher. Now I'm expecting a rebound on you guys, $12.55, $12.60 range. That's the action that happened on that. It's right here. You could see it. It's woo, $12.55. Right here, you got a little $12.55 right here. Got to make the pen thicker. Too thin, so you can't really see the line. So if you go right here, look, 255 is gone. Now it's 56, and go 50, so right into 60. See the nice little on the chart right there. See the bases. You got a beautiful little machine right here, possibility. So you got the back wheel right there. You got the front wheel right there. See that? Nice little base. And then you got the exhaust right here. You got a big old fat exhaust. Spitting out some fire right there. And here's the guy he's driving right here. Steering wheel right there. There you go. That's a good. Throw an antenna on there, a little flag. There you go. Look at that, man. That's what we got going on right now on the You Guys. Ready for takeoff. Absolutely. You see that, right? Ready for takeoff. Bottom right there. 1. Bottom right there. 2. Bottom right there. 3. Bottom right there. 4. So you have very little risk. You risk this little much. But if it goes up, look how much. Woo, test. Look, and imagine if it broke above that. Oh my God, it went to fill that. PCG did that right here. So PCG did this dump right down in here. Did this dump right down in there. We got it at about 780, right around in here. Did really nothing for so long. We were waiting and waiting and waiting. Look at, that's a lot of waiting. So we waited. We actually started buying in here to go through $8 because Ramey was saying if it went up and did a squeeze, it's going to pop through 8 and go up pretty nice. That's exactly what it did. We had some new guys in the room too. Jumped all over that. So you could see this bar in, this is the futures right here, natural gas. Look at that big green bar right there, biggest of the day, because Mojo's in on it right now. I'm calling in the troops to come in on natural gas right now. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we got right there, that was this morning. It's the Ameritrade, it's terrible. See what they do. On Ameritrade, it's terrible what they do. So here's the stock in the morning. Yesterday, I'm trading it right here. It's 33.50 to like 80. I'm like, tomorrow is the perfect trade through 34. I'm so excited. I've been trading it great for 2-3 days in a row. Every time it dips, I buy the dip and then I sell the rip. And then this morning it opens up at 34.83. And I'm like, are you kidding me? It took everything away from me. So now there's no real upside. Limit, very, very small. Hold on a second, let me check, my dogs are barking. Alrighty. Alrighty, so now we're back here. It's 34.83 on the open. So there's very little money to be made here. Very, very little. And there's a lot of room to the downside. And I'm not really a shorter, so I'm not too crazy about that opportunity and what they did. It's not like the crypto market. It trades 24 hours a day. There's no gapping. There's no surprises. I would have been able to got an alert. Algo kicks in, buys my 33.90, and I start selling it up at that mark. And you could see from today, let me show you, it went down all day long. So here's Ameritrade right here. So here's the open right here, look. And that's exactly what it did. Exactly what I drew. Look, here's this. And here's this. Look, They distraddled it right here. Look at all those red bars. That's that big, long red one. Then it bounced up. Now they're playing games with it. It's the most ridiculous thing. I hate it. I hate that. Right there. So it's 34.38. Terrible. Just terrible. But where did it stop on the bottom of this red bar? I bet it's stopping station. It stopped at 34.07 by 12 stopping station right there. 34.12. Every day it's exactly the same. Where did it stop here again? 34.12. 13. 1 penny off of it. It's that spectacular how they stop on the stopping stations every time. Hey, Ross, you going to take that one too, man, and start to call it something else, man? How many times you do the $half roll today, man, and the even dollar play in anticipation of it going through? Nasty. So yeah, one of the top guys out there that teaches his own stuff is now utilizing the MOJO trade play called the Hines and the Mini Hines, which you use in anticipation, as I did in yesterday's video of the Hines. Moving in anticipation, baby. Hines. Yeah, Ramey did the Hines today. Done for the day, another 887 on an awful day, but Hines trade plays sure do work. That's what Ramey says. That's what Ramey says right here. Nice day, 887. Everyone makes money in the day trade room. Let me show you a nice post on the MOJO Day Trading website. It's on my blog. Right here. It's on my blog. So go to MOJO Day Trading and click blog. Greatest articles on there, folks. Yesterday's was the PDT rule. What? Yep, telling you all about the PDT rule. What? Yep. So today, it hasn't come out yet. It's scheduled for 8 o'clock. But I'm going to go in and show you what I got scheduled because it's all about the Hines. It is, and actually I can get it from right here. My top Hines videos. Let me show you right here. Hines. H-E-I-N-Z. So I have this one. So I have 5 of them up there. Right here. These are the top Hines trades since 2017. Some of the top videos that I've put out there. That's them. So let's check out one of them. Like this old one. Or what is Hines? Which ones you guys want to do? What's the Hines trade play? What's the Hines? What's the Hines? I'll do that short one. It's probably short and sweet and powerful. It should have came up in the room. All right, we don't need you. Let's check this out. What's the Hines? That's the Hines. Wait, folks. Let me show you right here. Let's get to the lesson. In the MOJO room, years. But I'm on frame to do that. The time frame is 2 years. Come join the challenge. I started at 5,000. So I was in this MOJO Day Trading challenge where I was attempting to accomplish 10,000 of these trades in a row. And I was in between 5 and 10,000 at the time in 2017. and 18 over a year and change ago, and we've crossed that mark of 10,000.
7,887. It's my number one secret to how to ethically steal $1,000 a day in real money profits from the stock market in less than 60 minutes.
Let's see where
and what is the Hines? It's a trade play that works with great consistency in stock and crypto.
There it is.
1086, I think it was. I would rest.
That's the video. Look.
On the upside.
Phone always rings. Watch, I'm going over it tick by tick exactly how to do it.
Now, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Okay, we got it.
See? Look at that. 1095. See that? 1095.
I played up to 1144. Profit of 50 cents.
That's not really a great video.
So risking.
But the blog is coming out tonight with these 4. Really good education, entertainment, learning what the Hines is right there. Everybody should be watching that. And that's pretty much it. There's not really a lot going on since they changed the commissions. What they're doing is, it's quacky. I think they're batching up these orders to sell to these high frequency trading firms. And until they get a certain amount of orders, the firm doesn't want them, because if I was on like Ameritrade and I said, dude, don't send me your orders until you got 100,000 shares minimum. I don't want 5,000 shares. What am I going to do with 5,000? But if I got 100,000, you can move the markets. And you could make more on 100, 200, 300,000 shares of Ameritrade, trading it right off the market. It's only good for 100 shares on each side, than charging any kind of commission. So they'll sell it for $50,000, where they may would have gotten $60,000 from the retail guy, maybe, or even less. Maybe they're making more still. Who knows? They're selling the order flow, and when they get it all, that thing moves, and you got to be on the right side, and then it comes right back down when the orders are done. It's manipulated. It's so crazy. What the hell's going on? 34, 38 by 39. You guys is 53 by 54, 54. Bouncing back and forth like a rubber band between pennies. Not doing anything. They're gathering up orders. At least one thing is you can gauge what it's going to do, because this lies behind you guys. And it's pretty much at a nice bottom right here. So I like the trade down here. Very low risk. Pretty much good upside reward. It's 254. Let's see if it makes a move. If it doesn't, we'll get in something that is. Mojo's looking for the team to get into a dream for the end of the day. That's what we do. Pro traders in the room. We're going to look for a trade for the end of the day to be the nothing's going on. Let's go through the stocks for today. Main screen. RARX. RARX. Came from destruction. This is the chart pattern on the daily chart that you want to look for, like the GoPro. Like you guys right now. That's just going to make a big spike off destruction, and you got to be in that one to win it. If you're not in it, you ain't going to win it. And which one is it? So there's a lot of them that look like that. ONCS. Not too crazy about that one. $2.03 by 4 came through $1.91 into 2 and went to 2.30 on the open. Don't like that one. But you'll probably hear some of the other chat rooms that love these smaller stocks. Some of them made money on that one. Some of them didn't. Look at the opening rolls. Made a huge red bar up and down, green bar up and down. Didn't know which way it was going. Then it peaked and dropped, and then flushed everybody out right here on some auto close bar. Right there in the middle at around lunchtime. Little lunchtime. And then the Smith, third one on the chart, is the gainer. That's what's hot and what's not. Whoa, that's loud. Phew, that was loud. So Schmidt Industries, 282 by 289 on 263,000 shares, up 21%. Don't own it, not interested in it. BBBY, the big one with the new CEO. The guy is the buyer from Target since 2016, and they think he's going to turn it all around because, look at those store shelves of Target, folks. Have you been in there lately? Bed Bath & Beyond, they say, is well worth it. It's traded $45 million, up 21%. What other retailers are going to follow Bed Bath & Beyond? Go look and drive down the block. Which companies and stores are having trouble? Ulta Beauty, Michael Stores, Party City. What other stores are out? Then you go to the restaurant side, but you stick to the retail. They're all trouble with the malls. They're all going to get replaced and consolidated, done something with, because bad news bears right there. But BBBY likes it today. Bed Bath & Beyond. What's next? This FLMN, $6.24 by 626 with a high of 637. Falcon Minerals at the high on 411,000 shares. Looking rosy on the 5-minute chart, and the daily coming up from the day of destruction with the one green bar. So this is the predominant daily chart that's in play, and I suggest that Mojo does some research on the hot 15 industry groups and sees which one has these chart patterns that are displaying that, ready to make a move to the new level. I think so. Creative Spotlight, new guy here on YouTube. Welcome, my friend. There's a link below in the description which says free invite to the Mojo chat room. Hope to see you in there. I will say hello, and so will my boys. The sixth one down, Retta Pharmaceuticals, up 13% and 10 points at $86. That thing took off, huh? Let's look at some losers. FSCT, the biggest loser of the day. Oh my gosh, from 40 to 25. I hope you're not in that one. I got a newsletter yesterday. Check this out. Hope you ain't in this newsletter, dude. You're like, oh, are you kidding me? Oh, are you kidding? Where is it? Right here. I think I trashed the newsletter, but I put it into the room. Because I follow every newsletter and everybody out there. All right, here it was yesterday at the end of the day. After Ross the Manos took my stuff. Just went by that. Here it is. So imagine if you're in this newsletter. Unfortunately, I'm sorry to say, our last trade alert didn't present you with upside opportunity. It's our intent to provide you with trade alerts that are capable of experiencing increased sustainable upside. Sadly, the last alert did not deliver on that goal, and we apologize for this and are looking forward to make it up to you. If you provide us with that chance, oh please, in order to help limit your loss and maximize, you need to have a predetermined trading plan, and we didn't. I'm sorry. We'll be working to deliver a new trade. Hopefully we can make it up. Oh my gosh. Connect with Mojo. We don't do that. We don't do that. Oh, Tijuana traded Roku. He in here today? Tijuana? I saw him this morning. Tijuana. So jump to present. JDST Hines and kid, you in JDST? 1496 on the upside. Look at you go. Oh yeah, it's coming up out of the curl. Look at that. 86 cost. You're the man, dude. Add at 97, 98 only. That's it. Okay. Look, you guys is doing the same move. 1255. Kid. That one curls up too. That would be nice. There's similar patterns. Look at the pattern on JDST. Came all the way down, curl up, made like a little cup right here. Made like a little cup right there. And now look at you guys. Ready? Ching, look, I just switched it. This, look, you guys, it's the same thing. Told you. Haha, I didn't switch it yet. But look, now I did. It's the same. Look, it's going to curl up and do that same thing. Look, that's you guys. And this is JDST. See? Same thing. Look. You guys. JDST. Nice. We got them both. Get them, kid. Get them, kid.
Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Yeah, baby. Yes.
Whoop.
Well, yes. Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an F. Yeah!
I dropped. Jeez. My queen. There it is. Nice. Good job. Playing Hines, baby. Playing Hines. So yeah, looking good, 96, kid. You got buying power, you better be adding, making this a good trade for yourself. Don't be fooled. 97, you add at 98. You add at 99. Max, sell 04. You make money here. Mojo's coaching you. You're not in this, you do it. You don't question it, and you do it. I'm talking to Saywin right now, and hopefully I'm talking to you all right there, telling you exactly how to make money, not using get your emotions out of the positive expectancies in play right there. It's 15 bucks. Boom. 15, mama. Told you. Here we go, baby. Boom, Hines, 1501, Chilladilla. Told you, Killadilla. From Manila, how do we willa? Hines in 15, 1502, killer. 1504, mama. That's what we do. Max position, chips all in. Score, Hines. Hines. That's how we do it in the Mojo room. Yeah, boy. That's right. See, he reached over. I gave him the signal. That's Saywin right there, guys. Look. He's like, okay, I'll listen to you. Fine, adding. 97, 98, fine, done. I added there, I'll do it again. Adding. See, he added. Beautiful. Now he's waiting. This is you. This is everyone else. That's what you're doing. You need the mojo. You need the power of the mojo. I'll show you again what you look like. This is what you look like right here. And I got Saywin doing this. Get ready. Here it goes. See that? Boom. Thanks for the coaching. You guys coaching? You guys playing? You guys up? Making money? 1257 on you guys is moving now too. You guys is moving now too. There you go. That's how you make money. Come on, 59, 60, 61. Bam. 1502 top, baby. That's my boys in the Mojo room. That's my boys. See that, baby? Right there. And it's going to go test it again. Went to 50, maybe a 3. Nope, 1502. Because it's 4 steps forward and 3 steps back. 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. It's the most ridiculous thing. It's the most ridiculous thing in the world. Here it goes again. 1501. It may jump right to 1501 and skip the 14.99 and the 15. That strong. It's not even trading any shares. 232, and it's blinking back and forth. See, 6,620,000. There it goes. It just traded some. It's so crazy, isn't it? Hey, creative spotlights. Nice. Did you see that trade I hooked my boys up with in the Mojo room from 90, 95, 97, 99? Bam, bam, bam. Goes right through every time. Now, if it was the old market where there was no zero commissions, the thing would be at 1511 right now. You know what I'm saying? But people have no commissions. So they could just sell it at 15 and 1501 and then rebuy it back here. The same shares. No commissions. Dudes. Sickening. It's crazy. What's going on? And is it working? No. Why isn't it working, folks? Do you know why? You'll check out when you watch my video tonight. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me, and comments below would be amazing. Do you know why the zero commissions aren't going to work? Because they flashed it in all of a sudden, and you cannot change human behavior. I've tried. You can't change human behavior. All of a sudden, zero commission. There you go. I'm trading now. I'm a trader. He made zero commissions from $3.95. There's no difference. I'm a trader now. Oh, the casinos, they give free drinks and rooms when you go there and you spend a lot of money. I'm going to the casino to spend a lot of money. It ain't going to work. It's only good for the professional trader that has a system. You're saving him and me and the Mojo traders a lot of funds each month. Considerable amounts. Absolutely. But the average guy, he ain't doing nothing. Just like these stocks are doing nothing. It's utterly ridiculous. Sleepy, sleep, sleep. UV's at 40 still, hovering at the same mark. How long is UV going to go back and forth for 5 minutes up a nickel? Because of this big spike they did before. Now it's like under control. How manipulated is that? You get no forward mojo momentum. Man, trading's tough. Amrin, even though was my beauty pick from this morning, that one actually did really, really nice. But look, in the last 5 minutes, it hasn't. But earlier, look what this thing did today. Through 14 this morning, I liked it. And right here at the open is 14. It spiked all the way up on the open too fast. The first one went to 1458, so I said, no way. And then it touched again very quickly to 1470. And then it came all the way down to stopping station 27 to 32. She rocketed back up right here to a new high of 1463 and stopped and ran to 1503 and stopped at 82 stopping station. So that one actually really, really was a good one for today. And PCG is back at 788. We rode this one all the way up from here to here. It's back actually to a buy. Look at PCG, guys. Very strong in here from earlier. You could see right here, it's strong. So you can come in right now on an entry on PCG. It may do a shiner back up, or it may be weak. Who knows? But you're not buying it at 8 and change. Catch it on the dip ski. See if it does another red bar after this one. This bar ends, I'll show you, in 4 minutes. So wait 4 minutes. And that's it. Let's check out the, what is that? It's natural gases. Here's the natural gases. Natural gases is firming up, man. Look, firm with a big green bar down here. Ready to rock and roll higher. You know what I'm saying? Bow and arrow. The wrong side. Looks like this. Shoot that baby up. Right in here. I'm gonna shoot that baby. Like it. Based. 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 Basty. That's NG from the CME group, natural gas. So while you trade that in the stock market, you could judge it from that chart because they move together. So it's less manipulated by market makers and the market and these batched orders than anything else. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Mojo Gojos. Let's see what else we got. Work. Got the work in the JDST 90. You guys are the same. It's a tough market to trade, dude, because of these zero commissions. Everything goes up 2 cents and they sell it. And then it goes down and they wait and they buy it again. And it goes up and then they sell it again because there's no commissions. So nothing can really get a sustainable kind of move. EXPR is doing, my swing pick may do good for tomorrow and go over $3 for everybody that would be interested. It's Express, the woman's retailer that's in the mall. This is my swing pick. It's a littler stock. It's like Bed Bath. Imagine if they got a new replacement of a woman that did amazing and then she came in and the stock's at $5. Right now it's at $2.90. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to pick up 100 shares to 1,000 shares to 10,000 shares of this stock, depending upon what level trader you are in your swing trade portfolio. And you know what the commission is? 0. Amazing. Isn't it amazing? But I tell you, when it spikes, take the profit, because yesterday BVSN and Vive spiked and today they're down big time. Vive from yesterday, which went over 4, is at 360. Look, yesterday, it's still good, but yesterday it went to 411, and now it's at 360. Very volatile. It's a good buy for those 200 shares at 358 is a very, very good buy. Very good. And then BVSN this morning set a new high, you could see, of 297. And if you didn't take profits, it's at 245 by 50. So you had the opportunity to take profits this morning in the high. You could see it there, 297. Traded 129,000 shares. And I'm sure to assume you didn't have 100,000 shares. And then what else is on there? What else is on there? That, let's see my swings. CLSD, Clearside Medical, another swing pick, 73 cents. Look at the chart, beauty on that. This right here is a beautiful little cup and handle, folks. Better recognize. That symbol is CLSD. Then I have Shift Pixie. Shift Pixie. PIXY recommended in the MOJO Swing Trade the MOJO Swing Model portfolio, sent out in the Swing Trade newsletter for subscribers on Sunday evening a couple of weekends ago, and it's 44 cents. It's chilling, actually chilling. Actually has a little sharper cup and handle, folks. Okay, looking rockin' rosy solid. Okay, then the next one on the list is Intrepid Potash, IPI. That we own that one at 343 is 334. The other day it was up, but I'm expecting it to go higher. Look at the beautiful chart on this one. Look at this, beautiful. Made a beautiful run up here. We catching it nice after this down for it to rise back, and it looks like it is going to start rising back up. That's Intrepid Potash. And then NBEV, which has been up a little bit and now down a little bit. Have it 280, is 271, went to 286 this morning, a low of 265. These little things are pretty very volatile, man. Pretty very volatile. And then MBII, next one on the list. At it's gone already. BVSN EXPR at 285. EXPR, it's 289 by 90. That's a really good one. And Microvision, MVIS, 75 cents. Has been at 75. Yesterday made a spike up. Some people took profits. It went to 81. And that's it, man. That's the list of the swings. And Hill, HIL, already hit the target from 280 to 305. See? That's why you got to take profits. Because Hill, we got it on HIL 9/22. So September 22nd right here. And it went from there, 270 to 308. Then the next day, 310. Sold at 305 on 10/7, which was 10/4, right there on this day. There you go. So if it would have carried through from this bar and this green and went higher above 310, it would have been a bigger score. But you put the trailing stop in, a nickel lower from the high of 310 gets you stopped out at 305. You don't turn a winning trade, or right now, if you did, would be a losing trade. Got it at 280. It's 272 now, and we would be in a loss. But instead nailed 8.93% on it. And that's good. So if you compound that several times and don't get greedy and take the profits when they're there, it works. What else? UV's dropped 27.20. Piece of junk. Look at that spike on UV earlier. Oh, such a piece of junk. What are the other ones doing? JDST, 90, same thing. Oh, it dropped down and back up. Piece of junk. Here's the U guys. Same price, 53.54. Oh, it dropped down a penny and jumped back up. It's amazing. Penny up, 2 pennies down, 4 pennies up, 2 pennies down. Uber went all the way up. All Uber's just Ubering. There's no rhyme or direction on anything right now in the market. It's so different. All this week since they changed the commissions. And I've been watching everyone else. There's nobody killing it out there at all. Let's check out YouTube. I don't think anybody's made no big dollars today. I'll look tonight. I don't think nobody's made no big dollars out nowhere. See, Warrior. See if he made money. Oh, he didn't post today. Hi, Ross. Watching now. What's up, dude? You copied my Mini Hines trade play in yesterday's video, dude, at minute. Right here. Right there. So on your Assure trade at minute 547, it's curling up for a break of the $0.50. Oh, but I usually go in higher, but this time I know it's going to break. So you go in so big on size at 48 and 49 when I tell the students to, not at 42 and 41. but you had anticipation of it going through then. So you got in and then you added at 48, just like I tell my guys. Over the $0.50, I got in a little early so I can anticipate the break. See? It's curling up, so I jumped in for the $0.50 on minute 547. And then you said, oh, you're always going at 51, but it doesn't do it. And then, you know, you anticipate like the ketchup going through with the mini pack. So, nice. Lovely. Absolutely. Ugh. Where's it? Minute? Oh, boy. I would never, ever say a word of any of the stuff that you teach, man. Not that I would want to, but whatever. Minute 550. So I watch every video, dude. And here.
For the break of the $0.50, and I got in a little early to anticipate that break. The $0.50.
You needed to like find a name for it and stuff.
I guess this isn't going to work.
How many times are you going to say
It didn't hold up super well. It dipped down further, and at that point I was kind of like, I don't know. And then right here, as it came back up, I thought, you know what? If this thing breaks over the $0.50, I bet it's going to work. So what I ended up doing on this one, let's see, I'll just drag this up here. So as I saw it curling up, I jumped in for the break of the $0.50. And I got in a little early to anticipate that break. So on this one, rather than getting in, I put my order at 51, but I got in at 45, 9,000 shares, 45.28, anticipating the break of the $0.50. And I did that as it started to curl up here.
Because I learned that from the Mojo.
Volume coming in.
He does it really good. So I figured I might as well try it, man. And give Moxie to you know, to where I got it from, because I'm going to keep on using it, man. Maybe I'll even teach it to my students. Yeah, he just uploaded the video just a second ago. Can you believe it? Let's see what he did for the day. He just uploaded. Just as I was speaking, man, right here. Just as I got going on it. Let's see. YouTube. I can't even get to... Everything is just... Can't even get to the YouTube. Here it is. Warrior. See what he made for today. What he traded. He just uploaded. I just got an email. There he goes. My biggest struggle as a day trader. That's what he just put.
What's up, you guys? All right. Well, today is a red day for me, and I think I'm going to turn this loss into a lesson for you guys, because this is so typical of my trading.
That's him.
It's one of my biggest struggles as a trader.
Look, and he has 1 million subscribers, and he has 8 likes and 1 dislike. Exactly like me when I start out my videos. So someone, like he must, someone, as soon as I start a video, it's freaking disliked, man. Bam. So. And he's copying the trades. And he's doing bad.
Even having done this as long as I have days like today where I give back the last 7-8 days of progress.
Ooh.
So I'm down $7,000. I'm only up 8,500 on the month before.
So he has very large losses and small gains. It's going to take a month to make the average trader losing $8,000. It will take weeks to make that back.
For today. So, you know, I just gave back like 90% of my profit on the month, and today is the, let's see, it's the 9th day of the month, or it's the 8th day of the month. So here on the 8th day.
And he's got the largest, greatest, awesomest trade room, and give me a break, dude. My traders don't do that, man. My traders don't do that. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. JDST may have some volume pumping into 15 again and may go crest crest the wave, ProTrader Saywin. I would do a sequence and 90, 95 again and see if it goes up. And if it doesn't, sell it at 94 again, rebuy it back at 85, man, because it's paying you dimes to between there and there, but it's not cresting the 15. You can see it did it a couple times. Once, twice, three, four times today. What else we got going on? Let's look at, does you guys the same? 52? Yep. Same on you guys. Ameritrade 40, same on that. UV 25, same on that. Nothing's moving, but I remember where they are. EXPR 292 by 293. That just made a little spike higher. EXPR. Anyone buy that 200 shares of 58? Nope. See, I remembered that one too. PCG, though, you bought that one, is back at 92. You bought it at 85, 86. Told you. You're up on that one. Damn, he's good. I know, kid. I know. I know. Classic Mojo art. I got a page on my website with more paintings. Paintings right here on the bottom. My art gallery. I've drawn on charts before. They're supposed to blow up. How come they're not blowing up? There's a lot of them. I drew airplanes and the spear of FSU, and how come they're not blowing? Usually when I press them, they blow up. Look at this guy. That's a funny one. This dry ships one. Look at him. I gotta fix it so they come up and open. Here's my comics. You can look at one of those. How about this one? I better hurry up and chase some stocks through that door. I wonder what's on the other side. Oops, I should have listened to ProTrader Mike. That was Dow 21,000. That's unbelievable. On July 13th of 2017. Can you believe that? It's an Obama one. All right. 88 on JDST. It's moving up a little higher. Time is at 3:30. Coming into the end of the day, folks. In it? Okay. Hope it goes higher for you. NBEV dropped. Crone dropped. Look. 797 on Crone. Dude, this thing was $25. Dude, look. Weekly chart. Straight down from 25 bucks. It's going to make a big green bar, but when? When? And it's probably going to gap up, so no one's going to be able to do it. No one's going to be able to call the bottom or get near it. The range is crazy. It's a 70-cent range. Look, 850 to 780. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. What else we got? UWT is $9. That one looks good on the down. It looks like you guys. Not yet. You guys is $12.50. Same. UV is down a dime from 25 to 15. Amazing. JDST is even. Hasn't moved up 3 cents and down 4 cents, and then back up 5 and back down 3. You guys is down 2 cents. Oh my gosh. Ameritrade is up 2 cents. Uber is even at 75. Amrin is up 3 cents from 86 to now it's 91. See Amrin? Amrin's looking good. Amrin's going to go up higher, guys. Amrin was the winner today. Hard to recognize, but it was. Very hard. Look at the weed stocks. Crone destroyed. CGC 2068 by 70. Hit a low at 2050, 1 penny off stopping station. Tilray at 2093, 2 cents off stopping station at 2084. Missed it by 2 cents. ACB 382, stopped on stopping station, $3.77. Right on the penny, right on the money. And that's pretty much it. Otherwise, nothing else is moving. UVXY is now officially down 20 cents. Look at the chart on UV. Now it's time for a buy at 27.07 stopping station. UVXY long 27.07. The last time we traded it was into the spike at 788 when it spiked. Right down here, they brought it exactly back down to the bottom, to the T. We're in 27.07 stopping station. That's the play. In long. Because it's the only one that'll move. None of the other ones will really move. There's no reports coming out on natural gas. There's no oil report. There's just the market right now. So the only play is the UV. Right down here. There it goes. 27.08, 9, 10. It was 27.07. It's 27.12. See, now you could the people are taking profits on a nickel. Taking profits because there's no commissions. They just made $50. I'll take it. It's such bullshit, man. Such bullshit. I hate that shit. What is that crap? Come on now, pay Mr. Saywin on JDST at $14.92. Pay Saywin. Pay Saywin. Give him UV up to 14. Pay. 15. Nice. Sold UVXY. Good job, dude. Sold that UVXY bone. You made some money with zero mission. And now JDST is going too. $14.92. How about that UGAX? Where's that at? Oh, that's doing terrible. Just terrible. It's 47, 46. It didn't go that way, but the other one's doing 14.92 on the JD. Inca Traders here. Hey, Inca. Oh, are you? Oh no, I thought you were that. I thought you were Richard. Let's see how many times I've spoken to this guy. Oh, I gave him all the Ameritrades. Here's another solid day in the chat room. What do you think? Ameritrade through 33. See, I love trading it, man. Bought it at 33. This was before the zero commissions. Sold it at 33.22 in 3 minutes. It doesn't move like that no more. No way, man. Don't move like that no more. Then did some other trade the day before. Oh, beautiful trading on the Ameritrade. I showed this guy. And BBBY. Oh, dude, I gave him BBBY. Dude, come on. I gave you BBBY and Ameritrade. So up. It's nuts. Are you going to join us? Join the pros. Be ProTrader Bulldog, man. You can meet him today. I'm telling you. Be ProTrader the Bulldog. This guy. Top dog. ProTrader top dog. Be top dog. Inca. So many guys I've given sick trades to and they never join. It's unbelievable. I don't know why that happens, man. I don't know why it happens. I don't. I just give people winners English is bad. Okay. Money is universal. You understand my stock picks? Yes or no? Gotta check it out, man, does he? Nice, he understands my stuff. So I have an online day trading course. It's $1,497. I'm going to give it to you for free. I want you to learn and I want you to trade. I want you to become the best trader. How are you going to join the pro? I'm going to give you everything. This is how you join. Okay, let me show you. So the first thing we're going to do, let me just go over to this little email I got. First, you're going to get the Swing Trade newsletter. I'm giving you that. It's results oriented. You got those for free. So I'm going to give you that right there. Here's the 8/11 newsletter. And here's the 8/25 newsletter. Just for your review, you'll love those. You're going to get that. Okay? Giving you this, and I'm going to subscribe you to that newsletter so you get those swing picks. You must learn. It's a lifelong talent, the Ken Slim system with the swing trades. Then, where's that email? Here it is. You're going to see in the day trade room as a member a lot of guys. Okay? You're going to see as a member of the chat room, you're going to see, oh, what happened? Okay, sorry about that. So you're going to see as a member of the chat room when you join, and I gave you those newsletters right there. This one, this one, and that one. So you could check those out. They're awesome. As a member of the team, you're going to see the veteran pro traders. Been here for 5 years and longer. Allen, Bohan, Marr, Hopper, many others. In the room, day after day, year after year. They're right there. There's Bohan, Hopper, Carroll, Allen, Marr, everybody. Okay, you get that. Awesome. Okay. What do they have in common besides winning as day traders? What do they have in common? They've all taken the MOJO University courses several times. It's ingrained in their brains. And why? Because the MOJO system works. That's why the Heinz trade works. That's why. Now my gift to you is access to the same course the pro traders have taken many times over. They've all paid $1,497 to take that course for the past 5 years. Now it's yours for free. So after you join, you log in to MOJO University, and once you get to the page and enroll, I will load the day trading course for you. Absolutely. You're going to get the combo pack, and you're all set, man. I'm giving you both for one. Bam, combo pack, baby, right there. Go join. You'll be the best trader you ever can be. Bam, bam, bam. He says PCG is fallen 765. Wow, it took a dumping schmumping. How much time is left? 3:41. Stay away. We'll trade it tomorrow. Sound good? Unless you want to scalp it here and be risky on the not much upside. I think there's more downside. Too many people are caught all at 70. They're going to get out at every penny for no commish. For no commish. JDST still the same at 90. Let's look at the UV. This came right back up to 27.21 off 27.07 stopping station. Beautiful right there. Who nailed the UV? Who nailed UV and sold it? Anybody? Hope you did. Hope you did. So yeah, biggest struggle as a day trader was. This is a video for today.
What's up, you guys? All right, well, losers have been 908. I have, minus $2,000 in a loss. I walk away.
I don't really want to hear it. He's having trouble front running smaller cap stocks because they're not moving as much with his chat room. And 1492 on JDST, Saywin. Get ready. 1493, Saywin. Here we go, mama. End of the day move for you. I want you to get paid. It may finally go, mama. Here we go. We want Saywin to get paid with the rest of the crew in the Mojo room. At least we ain't down. 1493. Come on, mama. At least we ain't down. Here we go. 94. There it is. 95. We want it. There's 93. We want it. 17 minutes left. Plenty of time. Plenty of time for it to go through 15. Plenty. 1494. 1495. Here we go, Saywin. 95 strong. 95 strong. It looks hot. Looks good. See, Raw should be trading with the only thing wrong with it, it's down 28 cents. If it was up 28 cents, it would probably already be through. You know what I mean? It's got the weak factor. It's like a half a bottle of ketchup and you're trying to Heinz it. You gotta freaking hit it harder at this level. It just takes a little bit longer time because it's red. I know. If it was up 29 cents, we'd be at 1503, back down to 90. 27.22 on 23 on UV. And 90 on JDST. It's just holding its rock. How about you guys? 47 holding its rock. Making a green bar though. UWT right at 10, that Heinz. See, 10. Made a curl up right there from the 996. Boom, boom, boom. 10, 1001. Every time. Patience with the JDST. 15 minutes left. Markets suck. CGC 2051 right at the low of the day with a huge signal of accumulation. Someone wants to buy 25,000 shares at 2050. That's what's called. And then tomorrow it'll be up $1.50. And these people that are buying it here, they know that. And they're going to make a whole shitload of money. Just like all the firms did on Ameritrade. When they gapped that crap up $1.27, it's a cahoots. It's cahoots that the markets do that. It's in cahoots. It's disgusting. 52 by 53. Size down there. Why don't they just buy that 53? They want to buy so much at 50. It's a no intention to buy bid. They're selling a little at 53 or doing something. It's so whack and crazy. Stupid. But all I know is it's weak. If he wants to buy 25,000, why wouldn't he just keep on buying 53, 50? Boom, there we go. He disappeared and probably did do that. And now it's going to rock up 10 cents and he's going to sell it. Or maybe not. UWT couldn't even sustain highs. In the old days, UWT would be at 1010. Instead, it went to 1002 and came back down, just like the JDST went to 1502 and came back down. These things got no push. It's amazing. Sucks. Got to trade like all freaking day now. Sucks. Got to trade all day now. So UV from 2707 to 2712 is 2722. Your pick today, two of them, one on UGAZ, one on UVXY, both on YouTube. There you go in the chat. Enjoy. Swing pick, same as Vibe. What do you got there, buddy boy? My boy, ProTrader Philly, got a stock named Willie. Chili. See what he's got. Ooh, what does he got? Hey, Philly, he's got to show us a good stock. What's it got? Better subscribe to my channel to find out these things, guys. I'm telling you. Know what's going on. Nanoviscerides. He likes nanoviscerides. I've picked that one many times, kid. Many times. Nanoviscerides. Let me show you. NNVC. Number one pick right here on 10/6 of 2014. NNVC. This is your pick. Similar to TKMR Lake and other Ebola stocks. This is when the Ebola virus was freaking out. Remember that? 56 million shares in the float, going from a loss of 28 to a profit of 4. Going to break 477 in this. This is when it was at 365. Now, nanoviscerides, chart, C2, NNVC, bam. Now it's crap with no volume at $1.66. So if Ebola virus comes out, or a virus, it'll be in play, Philly. But until then, it ain't nothing. I got my gist and my handle on every stock, bro. Very low float. Yeah, well, it's going to need news like an Ebola virus to make it go. And until then, I ain't interested. But thank you for the pick. I've picked it before. Nanoviscerides. I only picked it because of the Ebola. Remember that? With TMKR and Lake? Remember when those Ebola stocks were freaking ripping? Amazing, right? I was ripping on them Ebola stocks. All right, JDST ain't doing nothing for you, Mr. Saywin. And nothing else is doing nothing. Amrin's still at 90, did nothing. UWT's at 1001. Normally it would be 1010 by now. JDST would be 1515 and already had come back down to 1490 where it is now. It's like amazing. None of this crap is like moving or doing nothing. Look, UWT 1001, 1002 penny. This was 94, back down to 88. Disgusting. What you gonna do? 9 minutes left. All right, 1001, 1002. Let's see if this one did anything today. RareX. Ooh, RareX just made a big spike recently. See, it's not fair that the stock would go all the way from here to all the way from here and then in 1 minute jump right back up and higher. Not fair. Not a fair trade. See it right there though. ONCS, that little one, is moving higher right now. It just jumped up on the gainers list right there. You see it? 224. It's got 11 million shares. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, it's closing. Very good volume. Sort of Marabuzu. Marabuzu, if it closes 10% from the top, it'll go through this tomorrow, guys. 240. See how it's red now? But if it turns green and this body is somewhat up here, the high is 230. If it closes in this range of 220, it should gap up in the morning and go higher. Probably not by a lot because it's not a rick and rockin' stock right now, but it looks good on 11 million with that $1 because tomorrow it's going to trade 5 million at least, or it could trade more and go 20 million or 30 and go to $3. One of the two. So the reward is much greater on that stock than the risk. Called a Marabuzu close. That's what that's called. Marabuzu close. 7 minutes left, guys. 224, 225 with some signals on that ONCS. See that? It's closing Marabuzu right here. ONCS. Let's take a little shot of it right there. Because I have to let my swing guys alert and let them know that that's moving and let them make a decision because I think it's closing Marabuzu. I don't know if I can get it out fast enough. Copy the GoPro one. Boom. Boom. Interested in your first Marabuzu. Marabuzu closes. Makes the stock gap higher in the morning. Watch it pre-market. Maybe the high. Volume based. 11 million today. Will show 5 million minimum tomorrow. If rocks, could double volume and send it to 3. Low risk, 05. Reward, 75. 50 cents, 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Done. And that's that one right there. Replace image. Boom. Upload. Desktop. ONCS. Symbol. ONCS. Last price. 221. That's what that's got going on. So I'm going to send that out to everybody, guys. All right, that's what I'm going to do. ONCS. New pick. ONCS. 10. 10. Done. Sent it. Not bad. I like that little pick. ONCS. Yeah, I like the Vive swing pick as well too. I like it as well too. And nothing's working at the end of the day either. So I guess we'll call it a day. And we'll see everybody in the morning on the next Mojo show. And I'll let you know what's hot and what's not in the morning. Give you a good analysis from what happened maybe overnight. And pick it up then. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next show. Later.